You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this football player, who I believe, well, he plays for the Morocco national team, but he may be French. I mean, he was born in French, he does speak French. The French pronunciation is as Ayyoub Bouaddi. In Arabic, Ayyoub Bouaddi. Similar pronunciations. In English, the pronunciation Ayyoub Bouaddi. Ayyoub Bouaddi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.